What's up to all those alone in the zone? We are out here about to get my boy Gone Freeze going. And I'm just gonna show you all how I do it. This is my boy Gone Freeze from Hunter x Hunter. I have an image of him on my iPad mini. Have it here on the side. And I already downloaded a palette from the image I just showed you guys. So I have the colors here that I'm going to be using, and we are about to get started. I'm on inking and I'm on the technical pen, and we are just going to go for it. Right? I created a layer here, and I'm going to just begin drawing. And remember, smash that like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. And I don't mind using, I like using reference material because you don't know every character, so there's nothing wrong with that. You look at the character that you're gonna draw and it helps build your drawing skills all around. So if you look here at this bottom hand right here, it's only 3 fingers showing. So this is where your artistic skills gonna come into play when you're trying to do an image and there's some pieces missing. So I'm gonna have to fill in these 2 fingers and the rest of his arm here on my own. And I'm gonna do it in the artist style. So we are going to get started. All right, cue the time lapse. Let's go. there you have it, folks. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.